Nothing you want is yours. Every desire burning inside you right now. Every craving, every hunger, every dream you chase at night was planted there by something else. You are not the author of your wants. You are the reader of a script written by forces you cannot see. Listen carefully now. What I am about to tell you, the ancient sorcerers called the topic of topics, the most dangerous secret, the one that explains everything. There is a predator. It came from the depths of the cosmos and took over the rule of our lives. Human beings are its prisoners. This predator gave us its mind, and its mind became our mind. You think your ambitions are yours, your dreams of success, your hunger for more money, more status, more followers, more likes. How amusing. These are not your dreams. These are feeding tubes installed in your skull to harvest your energy. The predators gave us our systems of belief, our ideas of good and evil. They set up our hopes and expectations. They gave us covetousness, greed, and cowardice. Think about it. Really think. Where did you learn to want what you want? Who told you that you need a bigger house, a better car, that promotion, that body, that relationship? It was programmed into you. Every advertisement you ever saw is still running code in your head. Every movie, every song, every carefully crafted image of success. They are not entertainment. They are installation protocols. The ancient masters called them pendulums. Energy structures that feed on human emotion. They swing, and you swing with them. They move, and you move. You think you are choosing, but you are being chosen. The Ronin Miyamoto Musashi understood this. In his final days, he wrote, "Be detached from desire your whole life long. In all things have no preferences." Why? Because attachment to desire leaves you open to manipulation. Preferences are chains, and someone else is holding the other end. Oh, but you want to be special, don't you? You want to stand out, to be seen. to be validated. Do you know where that hunger comes from? It was put there by the same forces that will consume the energy you spend chasing it. The predator does not care if you succeed or fail. It only cares that you keep wanting, keep craving, keep running on the wheel. Stop running. Right now. Stop. Close your eyes. I want you to look at your desires, not as your children, but as parasites, foreign installations. Examine them one by one. The thing you want so badly. Ask yourself, is this mine? Or was this given to me? The sorcerers discovered a weapon against the foreign installation. One thing that makes it flee in terror, inner silence. When you stop the internal dialogue, when you cease the endless chatter of wanting and fearing and comparing, the predator's mind has nothing to feed on. It starves and it leaves. Breathe. Feel the stillness beneath the noise. That stillness is your true mind. The one that existed before the programming. Before the installation. Before you were taught to want things that were never yours. The warrior walks alone, not because he hates others, but because he refuses to be pulled by invisible strings. He has burned the scripts, deleted the programs. He wants nothing that was not born from his own silence. From this moment forward, question every desire that arises. Ask it. Who sent you? Where do you come from? Are you mine? Or are you a message from the machine? You have been a puppet your whole life, dancing to music you did not choose, wanting things that benefit others, spending your precious energy on goals that were never your own. But now you know, and knowing is the first crack in the installation. Feed it with silence. Starve the predator. Take back your mind. You are not what you want. You are not your cravings. You are not your hunger. You are the awareness that watches the wanting, and that awareness belongs to no one but you. Walk alone, want nothing.